Good morning to all. The topic which we are going to discuss is twisting couple. For that, we have to know what is couple. Something joined by two equal and opposite forces that act along parallel line is known as couple. What is moment? It is a turning force produced by an object acting at a particular distance. So, moment of couple is given two equal and opposite forces, that product of the force and distance between them. And the moment of couple is the product of the magnitude of one of the forces and the perpendicular distance between their lines is called moment of couple, where F into D is moment of couple. Here we can see the difference between moment and a couple. Now we are moving into twisting couple of a cylinder or wire. Consider a short cylinder of length L and radius A, which is clamped at the upper end AB. Let a twisting couple be applied to the face AB as shown by the arrow, which is head in a direction perpendicular to the length of the cylinder. As a result, this external twisting couple, the radius of each circular cross section of the cylinder is turned about the axis of cylinder through an angle theta, which is called angle of twist. Here, the radius QP is twisted through an angle theta to the position Q dash Q dash, which is shown in figure. This is called pure shear, since there is no change in length or radius and only the shape of the cylinder is changed. Now, the elasticity of a material as a restoring couple is set up inside the cylinder, which is equal and opposite to the twisting couple under equilibrium condition. A line CP on the rim of the cylinder parallel to OO dash is displaced to CP. So the displacement PP dash is maximum for the points lying on the rim and goes on decreasing as we move towards O dash, that is center of the cylinder. Consider one such cylinder shell of radius x and thickness dx. So the angle of shear psi will have the maximum value when x is equal to A and least at the origin, that is O dash. But the angle of twist theta will be same for all shells. So R dash is equal to L into psi. So R dash is equal to x theta. So we equate 1 and 2. L psi is equal to x theta. So we are having psi is equal to x theta by L. That rigidity modulus N is equal to T by psi. So where T is shearing stress which is acting on the cylinder. Applying the value, we get T is equal to N x theta divided by L. The base or the hollow cylinder shell of the thickness dx is 2 pi x dx, that is surface area with the thickness. Therefore, the shearing force acting on this area is 2 pi n theta x square into x dx divided by L. So, simplify the equation, we get 2 pi n theta divided by L into x cube dx, which is moment of the force at 0 OO dash. So, the above expression gives the magnitude of the couple required to twist an intensively thin cylindrical shell of radius x through an angle theta. So, the total couple required to twist the whole cylinder of a radius A is about OO dash is integration 0 to A 2 pi n theta divided by L x cube into dx. So integrate and simplify, we get pi n theta A power 4 divided by 2L. In the above expression, theta is equal to 1 radian. Then we get twisting couple per unit twist, that is C is equal to pi n theta A power 4 divided by 2L. This twisting couple required to produce a twist of unit radian in the cylinder is called the torsional rigidity or modulus of torsion for the material of the cylinder. Here we have seen the complete twisting couple of a cylinder. Thank you.